Hi everybody, this is teacher Ming, or you can call me Yan Ming or teacher Zhang. So today I'm going to show you in the mini lecture how do you understand the three laws of motion discovered by Newton. And even at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how would you understand something even Newton would not know about the three laws of motion. Okay, so first of all, let's start with one of the laws. Actually, one of the formula associated with the three laws of motion is very, very famous. And I'll give you a hint, even a competition is named after it. So it's what? It's F equals ma. F net equals m mass times acceleration, which means the net force is in proportion with acceleration and the coefficient is mass. Okay, so that's the second law. The second law is called the law of acceleration. Okay, then you know what? Why did I start with the second law? Because the first law is a special case of the second law. Okay, what is that special case? The special case is the F net is going to be 0 in this case. In the first law, the F net is 0. If F net is 0, guess what? F equals ma. If net force is 0 and the mass definitely could not be 0, then what? Acceleration is 0. And acceleration by definition is a change of velocity divided by change of time. So time is not 0, so the change of velocity is 0. If a change of velocity is 0, obviously the velocity is a constant, right? The velocity is a constant. The velocity is a constant, that means the velocity is either 0, which the object is standing still, or the velocity, or this object is moving with a constant speed on a straight line, which is the same thing as the velocity is a constant in both magnitude and direction. Okay, so this first law is called the law of inertia. And then there's the third law, which is called law of action-reaction. Law of action-reaction, how do we come up with this law? For example, if you are using your fist to hit the wall, guess what? The wall could be damaged, and then what will happen to your fist? Your fist could hurt. Okay, yeah. So when there's an action force, there must be a reaction force that is having the same magnitude and the opposite direction. Okay, so we are expressing this as F action equals F reaction or action reaction equals F react, and there is a negative sign. The negative means it is opposite in direction, and the equal sign means it is equal in magnitude. Understand? Because force is a vector. Okay, and now if we are looking at this, this is law of inertia for the first law, law of acceleration for the second law, and law of action-reaction. Okay? And guess what? If I ask this question, who discovered three laws of motion. Almost everybody would know Newton. But if I say, what's the first name of Newton? Maybe some of them do not know, but a lot of people know. The first name of Newton is actually what? Yeah, the first name of Newton is actually called Isaac, just like the Abraham's son, the second son, Isaac. Okay. So, but less people would know actually how do you spell Isaac. Actually, there are two A's, Isaac. Why is this important? Because you know what? This is something even Newton did not know about the three laws of motion, because the initials of the names of three laws of motion actually in the name Isaac, because we have the I means inertia, right? And the first A means acceleration, and the second AC, the last AC means action reaction. Okay, inertia, acceleration, and action reaction. These three names actually spells Isaac's first name. Isn't that cool? And this fact is discovered by teacher Ming, Ming Zhang, back like 3 or 4 years ago. 6 years ago, actually. Yeah. Thank you for watching. And again, let me show you my domains here. Let me see. These are my domain names. stltutor.com, tutor for USA.com, and johnacademy.org. And I have more than 50 domains. These are the main 3 domains for now, and then more is coming, and these are also under development. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Just come back to me at any time. Okay, if you need tutoring, need my help, I'm willing to help. I can give you free lessons, whatever, as long as I have time. Just looking forward to working with you if we are on that path. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.